are giving you 3 ballot papers, one for presidential, one for senatorial, and one for House of Rep. They have 3 different ballot boxes there. One is for your presidential election, one is for the senatorial election, and one is for the House of Rep. Voting is about to start.
It's the first time we're going on this, so we should expect, new methods, new techniques, and so. This present election, PDP is the incumbent.
So they are to blame for the hiccups.
APC is the opposition. So if there is a hiccup, it is the PDP that can be blamed, and no other party. I mean, they have been a government, they have been in charge of everything. So any hiccup should be blamed on the PDP.
But in all honesty, is it looking good in Lagos for Buhari today?
Well, even before today, everyone knows how it is. But of course, not to be charged for soliciting again at the polling station. We know the situation in Lagos, and we're happy with the situation in Lagos.